Let's practice reading some owl words together. I'll say a word and you tell me if it sounds like snow or cow. Show.
Snow.
Plow.
Cow.
Toe.
Snow.
Glow.
Snow.
Bow. Uh-oh, I got you there. B-O-W can be bow as in a pretty ribbon, or bow as in to say hi or show respect. Some words can change based on how we use them.